Hello everyone, Kelvin here. Today I want to show you how you can download and install the YouTube app directly on your Windows or Mac PC with two easy steps. What is that, you might ask? I don't know, probably because you want to easily access your downloads from your taskbar or customize your watch list. Let's get started. For this, you have to go to Google Chrome and type in youtube.com. For me, I already have youtube.com running. And the first step is pretty simple. Go to your Google Chrome search bar when you're on YouTube, and on the top right, you'll see an icon that says Install YouTube on your PC. When you click on the icon, you'll see a pop up that says Install YouTube. You can go ahead and install YouTube on your PC. The second option now involves you going to the Windows customization menu using these three dots. When you click on it and scroll down to cast, save, and share, you will also see an option to install YouTube on your PC. When you click on the option, there's an option now to install YouTube on your PC. When you click on it, now the browser changes. Now I'm running YouTube directly on my PC. I can choose to pin YouTube to my taskbar, whereby I can access it later. There you have it, the two most simple steps to install YouTube. If you're new to this channel, consider please subscribing, and hopefully I'll see you again soon.